You want to be rich, powerful, successful, but you are lazy. You know it. You scroll all day, your to-do list scares you, and you keep waiting for motivation. But here's the truth. Lazy people can still win if they do one thing right. Let me tell you how. You are not lazy. You are overwhelmed. Your brain is running too many simulations. What if I fail? What if it's hard? What if people laugh? So you do the easiest thing, nothing. But that's not laziness. That's mental burnout disguised as chill. Here's the good news. Lazy people are naturally efficient. They hate doing too much. So if you are lazy and ambitious, use the secret. Build systems that require less motivation. Instead of pushing yourself every day, create routines so easy, even the lazy you can't say no. Some of the most successful people were lazy, but smart. They used these 3 hacks. Decision elimination. First, wear same outfit, eat same food, save mental energy. Second, leverage, use people, tools, AI, automation. Third, momentum over motivation. Start small. Keep moving. No motivation needed. So if you are lazy but ambitious, don't fight yourself. Work with your nature. Start small. Use systems. Create momentum. Because success doesn't come from energy. It comes from consistency. Even slow, lazy, smart consistency. Subscribe to Billionaire Fuel Station because we turn lazy ambition into unstoppable results.